How to fix Instagram music not showing all songs. Alright, first thing first, open up your Instagram app, tap on the little profile option and click on the hamburger menu at the top right corner. Now what we're gonna do is look for account type and tools. Scroll down and you'll find account type and tools. Now click on account type and here's the real sauce. Click on switch account type and click on switch to personal account. It's going to ask you to confirm, so just tap switch to personal account one more time. Business and creator accounts often get blocked from using copyrighted music because of licensing laws. So switching to a personal account completely unlocks the full library again. Go ahead and close the app, open it back up and check your music sticker. All your favorite songs should be right back where they belong. If this worked for you, do me a huge favor and hit that like button so your friends can find this fix too. Drop a comment below.